Good evening, sir. My name is Punya Saroh and my partner Mensiana Tamuinya. Now we are going to give a presentation about the lexical relations of semantic. For the next presentation will be presented by Mensi.
Okay, so now we are going to give an explanation about the lexical semantics. Lexical semantics is the branch of linguistics that is concerned with the systematic study of word meanings. Lexical semantics is also the study of the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences. It aims to describe word meanings and account for their variability in different contexts, emphasizing the importance of sense relations like antonymy, hyponymy, and incompatibility.
Lexical semantics, which is entirely concerned with the study of the meanings of the words in terms of their relationship with other words. So here there is the scope of lexical relations. Relation is the referential relation between word and entity. An example is book. I love this book. It means referring to the object of the book. And then the second is sense relations, which is the relation between the word and other words in their language.
So here's the next scope of lexical relations. That is collocations, which is the words that appear together with the specific words. For example, Muya is reading a book. In this example, there is a word book and reading because book is read or published and not be eaten. And the next one is communicative value, which is a word refers to how its use can be influenced by context, formality, and cultural norms. For example, the word book. The word book can have multiple meanings and it depends on the context. So let's take an example in the context of the library. The word book can refers to the object of the book. And if the word book is used in a travel context, it can be mean booking a hotel.
Now is syntagmatic and paradigmatic relations. Syntagmatic lexical relations should first of all be seen in contrast to their paradigmatic counterparts, meaning relations such as synonym, antonymy, and hyponymy. Syntagmatic relations hop between elements can occur together in the same context. Then paradigmatic or vertical relations are those that bind the elements of a group or a class of leximes from body of a single word to whole lexical fields.
The major lexical relations there are synonyms, which is the sameness of meaning, which can be identified by the use of substitution. Antonyms, which is concerns exclusion rather than inclusion, and this means that two forms with opposite meanings. And hyponymy refers to a word that contains the meaning of a more general word known as the subordinate. For example, oak is a hyponym of the subordinate tree. In other words, a hyponym is a word whose meaning contains all the same feature values of another word, plus some additional feature value. For example, the meaning of the word "shall" has the same features values as the word "pig", "human", plus some additional ones: adult, male, Parker, and Riley in 2005.
The significance of lexical relations. First, describing the meaning of words. The second, understanding the different relations between words. The word young, for example, is more closely related to old than it is to lazy. Also, rose is related in one way to flower, in another way to lilac, and in a third way to red. The meaning of a word could be characterized not in terms of its component features, terms of its relationship to other words. In other words, according to its lexical relations. The third, explain the meanings of words in terms of their relations to others at various levels.
Conclusion. So, as far as we've presented, the lexical relations are a type of semantic relations which have a significant role in the explanation, analysis, and use of the meanings of words within sentences. Lexical relations might be considered an efficient way in understanding the exact meaning of the word and how it is related to other words within the English sentences. In communication, lexical relations are considered an effective way of explaining the meanings of words in various ways, and thus better communication might be achieved. Thank you.